Hi, Claude TV. Over Thanksgiving break, we decided to give some disposable cameras out to our Trojan family. Let's check it out.
Number 1, we have Maddie Path. Have fun.
Number 2, we have Emmett Rice. Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
Woo! It's a Thanksgiving miracle! Woo!
Third up, we have Miss Stancroft. Have fun.
Fourth up, we have Miss Hominick. Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm so honored.
How lucky are we? It's been a hell of a week. We're all grown now. The smoke seeping out of your bloody teeth. Be your home song now. Upstairs with the guitar I was given when I was barely 14. When did McGlinchey's get so crowded, and why are the crowds so damn great? I lost my mind on the streets of the city